Welcome viewers once again to another 1080p projector review. My name is Nick and today we have a new model from the brand Toperson, and this one has a unique design sporting modern features such as Wi-Fi screen mirroring and Bluetooth audio technology. This is the Toperson YG421 HD 1080p projector. And what I would like to say before we get started is that there are some projectors that get things right and there are some that get certain features wrong. This is the medium class model, and there is one thing they got right in this model, and that is its surround sound audio feature. So in this review we take a look at its design, projection quality, and its Bluetooth audio and Dolby surround sound audio feature. So stay tuned, my full review is up next. Welcome back. So this model features native 1920 by 1080p resolution, brightness of 180 ANSI lumens and 8500 lux, contrast ratio of 10,000 to 1, aspect ratios of 4:3 and 16:9, 30,000 hours LED lamp life, dual band 2.4 plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi for screencasting, and Bluetooth 5.1 with a Dolby Plus audio. So in the box you have the YG421 model itself, one infrared remote, one HDMI cable, one AC power cable, one auxiliary cable, a keychain gift card, and a user guide. For design, at the front it has the Toperson branding, a front-facing IR sensor, and a cover for its glass-coated lens. Its rear I/O ports consist of one HDMI input, two USB 2.0 ports, a headphone jack, one AV port, one VGA port, a rear-facing IR sensor, the AC power inlet, its internal speaker, and a dust cover for the intake cooling fan. To its right you have the exhaust vent. To its left you have the focus adjustment lever and a vertical keystone correction lever. To the top it has manual press button controls. And below this projector has 4 anti-skid rubber pads, a screw hole for mounting to a tripod or ceiling mount, and a screw type kickstand. So when you start up this model, it starts with a simple Toperson splash screen followed by its main menu. The main menu consists of a left pop-out panel where you can access the input selector for its various input sources. On the main screen, you have the interface for accessing media connected via its input ports, whether it's movies, music, photos, or text documents. But please note, you can only access the settings area using the menu button on the remote, as there is no settings button on the manual controls, nor is there any on-screen option to access the settings area from the main menu. The settings area is divided into 4 sections: picture, sound, time, and options. On the picture is where you will find settings for its picture mode, where you can select from a number of presets or you can set your own user settings. You can adjust the color temperature. You can change its aspect ratio. You can set your noise reduction area. You can set the projection display mode in the event you need to mount to a ceiling. And you have your zoom settings, or as they call it, image scaling. Under sound settings, you can adjust the balance. You can set the volume to adjust automatically or manually. And you have your surround sound options, whether to turn it off, use SRS True Surround XT, or set it to surround. And there is also an SPDIF mode. Under time is where you can set your sleep timer settings. Under options, you have your software updates via USB. You can change the language of the interface. You have your factory default settings. You have a color range option. You have your on-screen display duration settings, which controls how long your on-screen display remains before it disappears. You have your Wi-Fi settings, where you can connect to your 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. And you have your Bluetooth options for connecting to Bluetooth speakers and audio receivers. Now, as mentioned in the intro, this box has surround sound audio decoders and it can play videos encoded with Dolby Atmos, DTS HD Master Audio and DTS-X from media connected directly to its USB ports. This is a feature most projectors don't have. However, on this projector, you are limited to only 1080p videos as 4K HDR videos with surround sound audio do not play. I also discovered that it cannot play Dolby Surround from Dolby Vision videos and Dolby True HD.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels.
One of the amazing features with this model is that you can cast all manner of mobile and PC devices to this projector. On the main menu, if you navigate to the left pop-out panel and select the multi-screen option, you'll be taken to the casting screen. In this section, you have the option to cast your Windows laptops and tablets, or if your desktop has a Wi-Fi adapter, you can also cast to it. You have iOS Cablecast for casting your iPhones directly to the projector via cable. You have Mirrorcast for casting your Android devices via Wi-Fi. You have iOS Cast for casting your iPhones and MacBooks via Wi-Fi, and you have DLNA. For this demonstration, I'll be casting my mobile phone using the Mirrorcast feature. Simply open the Mirrorcast option, then on your mobile phone scan with your favorite Mirrorcast app for the Netlink device and select it to start casting. So to give a true demonstration of its picture and sound quality via its internal speaker, I connected an Android TV box to its HDMI port, and I will now play some 4K HDR videos and have the projector downscale it to 1080p. I will also monitor the internal speaker for clarity and potential rattling.
a win for Barca would be enough, because it would give them the same number of points as Atletico, but the head-to-head goal difference is what counts in the case of a tie on points. The mosaic of the Camp Nou and the Barcelona hymn being sung as referee Mateo Laoz prizing presence on the bench as well. Atletico playing in yellow.
So for my assessment, the picture quality is clear with bright colors. However, the brightness of the lumens is not as bright as you would have it on high-end models. However, the display is decent enough for small rooms and offices. Also, the internal speaker, though powerful, can rattle at times if you set the volume too high. If you are interested in gaming, this is what the quality of gameplay looks like. For my final demonstration, to test its Dolby Plus surround sound audio capability, I will connect it to my 7.1 audio receiver via Bluetooth. Even though I know that you cannot get Dolby Atmos or DTS-X over Bluetooth, I still would like to see if there is any form of virtualization being transferred to the receiver.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sits the mood of a scene,
So the Dolby Audio Plus pertains to the projector's ability to internally play videos that has Dolby and DTS audio decoding, and currently it's not scientifically possible to transmit Dolby and DTS audio over Bluetooth. For fan noise, it measured 46 decibels on the mobile app, which is on the quieter side for a projector fan. In summary, this projector falls into the medium grade category. Its display and focus, though it's clear and sharp, its lumens are not as bright as you would have it on high-end models. Its ability to play Dolby and DTS audio internally is great, something most projectors don't achieve for what they are worth. Its internal speaker is loud, but it can get a bit rattled at the high end. Its ability to connect to Bluetooth speakers and audio receivers enhances its cinematic experience. Its unique design and stylish appearance makes it an attractive projector to fit into your home entertainment system and can catch the attention of any onlooker. And its Wi-Fi screencasting allows you to professionally cast videos and documents directly from your mobile devices at home or during office presentations. And that brings to an end my review. Currently you can get it for $169.99 on Amazon using the link in the description below this video, where you can get it directly from their Toperson Amazon store. Links in the description are affiliate links, and using them to purchase or even just to view the product support this channel directly and provides the means for me to acquire new products for review. So thanks in advance for using my links. Give this video the thumbs up if you enjoyed the presentation and appreciate the work that I do here. If you are a first time viewer to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notifications bell to keep in the loop as to when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, stay tuned and see you in the next one.